welcome to podcast number one.
Number one.
I'm Chocolate Rodney.
I am Nifty Struggle. Yeah, I thought you were Raj Tank Rodney these days. AKA the Chocolate Rod. AKA the Beast and Thunder of the South Shields.
I'm not even making any of this up, but I'll have them. The
Ocean
AKAs,
Road Don.
I'm not even known by these AKAs, but
Curry Mile King. My guy.
Melanin Skin.
Melanin Skin. Gentleman. Peppermint Thins. After dinner.
This is a show about me and you just talking about
Talking shit.
Yeah, really. And for everybody that is on Instagram and has been to a show or wants to know more about us, this is for you guys.
Or if you just want to listen to people chat shit.
Yeah.
I sometimes put stuff on YouTube, so no shame in it. If you want to do that too, that's your thing. That's fine. That's my thing sometimes.
This is the place to be, because I'm your host with the most.
And I am on the MIC, but not literally.
Yeah, right now we're doing this podcast. But let's get into the first one real quick.
You'll get the format.
Yeah.
Internet.
So this is the part of the show where we basically have found something if we've done our homework.
Which you didn't do.
Yeah.
To be
this
fair.
has been the long way around. This has been the scenic route. But anyways.
I had to think about every single thing. Back me up on this one. I had to think about every single fucking thing. Literally, all comes from up here. This guy is just pretending. We forgot to mention Stormtrooper Dave, who brings this to you live from space. With a bearded face. He might catch a case looking that awesome. I told him to shave his hair off. You guys, write in.
Who did he have first?
Write in if you want Dave to shave off his hair, because he'll fit better in the Stormtrooper mask. Stormtrooper Dave, shout out Stormtrooper Dave. Let's get straight into it. We
Grammys.
The Grammys.
That's what's been popping on the internet. We've been seeing a lot of this, haven't we?
Yeah, we saw in particular this
Rap Genius, also AKA Genius.
Genius.
Yeah, for all you old timers out there like me. Never forget Afro Man. Because I Got High was nominated for a Grammy in 2002 for Best Solo Rap Performance.
Nominated. I mean,
yeah. Why was that so important?
I wonder who won that year.
We'll never know.
I mean, we could find out. Go on, find out.
Come on then.
Google it. I wonder who won 2002's Best Rap Performance. I wonder who even won that.
What year was that again?
2002. Yeah, it was 02.
What was I doing in that year?
I was wearing Gap clothing in 02.
What were you doing?
I was wearing Gap clothing.
You know when everyone says, where were you in the millennium? Like, because obviously we were youngins then, so...
I was in Gap clothes. I was trying to play out as much as often, as much as possible.
I had the hoop and the stick, you know, like, it was them times.
Bro.
You came back from school, watched a bit of Arthur, a bit of Blue Peter, then you fucked off on your bike for a bit, came back in, and then was on your PlayStation playing Colin McRae Rally 2.
Basically.
till about 10 o'clock. Yeah. If you are bad ones, you were there till 1 o'clock. You know what I'm talking about?
I used to bust out in Carter and just have a look through all of the different animals on Carter. Because I had all of the discs. So basically that and Tomb Raider and basically FIFA Road to World Cup 98 in the corner of the kitchen. Yeah. And I had the dial-up. Just saying.
Dial-up was hard.
We had the one computer in the corner and I was Lara Croft and Small Soldiers in. I just had I had about 4 games. So, you know what I mean?
It doesn't matter now because we're already here and you don't need to worry about dial-up anymore. You're watching this, you're streaming this, you're not waffling.
Sorry, I'm into waffle on. Right, who won?
So the winners, I'm already here.
Who won the rap?
So, rap.
That's a rap performance. Solo rap performance.
Solo rap. There's a lot of genres. So we get to hip hop. Right, yeah, we're here.
Who
got
won?
there. So, best rap solo performance was won by Missy Elliott.
deservedly with Get Your Freak On. Dum 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 dum.
Get your freak on.
Missy be putting it down. I'm the hardest one. And the people talking, got the phone me now.
But these are also some of the other nominees. Who We Be, DMX. H to the is O. Yeah,
B to the is A. Yeah, that was a bang.
Right with
if
me.
you want to go and take a... That was a strong year.
Yeah, that was a strong year.
Let's have a look at how that compares to this year. Album of the year.
25, Adele. She's getting older.
Yeah, but look at this shit though. Song of the year.
Adele, again.
Come on.
But
Best new artist, you know.
this changes a little bit. It's not Adele. The Chance the Rapper.
Best
Mad.
new artist, Chance the Rapper, right. How is Chance the Rapper new?
He has... I think he hasn't even put out much this year as well. That's the thing.
Bro. I don't really remember a lot of my life, but I remember having like a fucking little blue car when I was listening to Chance the Rapper.
And he had put out... it
Bro,
was...
that was years ago.
What was that called again? Where he dropped out of school and he wrote 10 Days.
10 days. And then it was Acid Rap.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit came out a long time ago.
So we're not even fucking with the fact that the Grammys are calling him a new artist, so fuck the Grammys.
When did Acid Rap come out?
What was in
2013, bro.
Crazy.
This
To
guy
be recognised as a new artist.
See, this just shows how like people like to
Years in the
catch
making,
up,
yeah.
man, later on. I do rate Chance the Rapper in his older form, I think. In his like previous form.
Yeah.
I don't really rate him much these days.
There's a lot of
Record
wicked
of the year.
features. Who is that? Oh, fuck off.
Adele again,
Come
you know.
on. The Grammys.
This is some bullshit.
You
How
need to switch it up a little bit. 'cause
best
this is-
pop vocal album?
We,
Bro,
might
just
as
tell
well
them.
not to- yeah, it's Adele again. Just for
Right.
you that want to know out there.
Best urban contemporary album, Lemonade. Why is that? Lemonade is a better album than 25, isn't it? Personally,
Believe that.
numbers wise.
In the comments, what's the best album?
Yeah, hang on though.
Fuck the
'cause
Grammys. Like,
numbers
if you,
wise, 25 by Adele did.
I've just
25
got a Google
by
Mini,
Adele.
by the way, so
You can just ask it, isn't it?
Yeah, I can just do this now on the regular.
Sixth album release to sell 8 million, right? Lemonade record sales
Drum roll.
1 million. So it's sold more, so it's not really helping my point. But it is I feel personally it was a bigger album. More people cared about it, in my opinion.
Yeah, I would think so. What's the last thing you got to say about the Grammys before we have to move on to the next thing?
I hope to be one day considered to not get a Grammy. Just one day, maybe I could not get one. That would be cool.
What other awards that you would like not to get?
Man of the Year. I would not like to get that one because of just having to go to the ceremony. Cause
What did they do? I'm not familiar with Man of the Year.
yeah, but it's out. My problem is it's outside of this room, so that causes me a problem.
This is a bit of a joke that we have amongst ourselves.
It's not really a joke. It's just I don't ever leave the house.
Yeah, but it's definitely a joke that me and Dave, anyways, have a nifty struggle. Doesn't leave the house
Ever.
This is the studio, and
Sometimes I go to London. Shout out everyone in London. Well, not everyone, but all the people that love us and that we love down there. And we sometimes go to the supermarket, and I have to go to work. But apart from that, stay in this room. I don't even really go downstairs.
my check. This is the part of the show where
We listen to
we
some
listen to
shit.
sick shit, yeah, and then
Yeah.
we just start talking
Just
about
basically
it. Like,
rate it, isn't it?
yeah, we just like start talking about it, and like sometimes it's not always just lyrics and stuff like that, just fucking crazy music.
Yeah, basically just rate it.
that we're both into, or
Yeah, or
I
that.
haven't discovered yet because I'm usually 2 steps behind.
No, you're ahead on some things, isn't it?
But I always like songs that I find on Spotify, and I just end up listening to them back, like literally back to back.
I just like ones that I find on MySpace.
Shout out
Most of the
Tom.
time. Just about 10 years ago, most of the time.
Bad Sounds, who have put out a sick new tune. Do you want to tell them what it's called?
Are you high? Yes! That is literally, that is the song, but it is a banger, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
new one.
Sick tune, like, and we're gonna get Dave to play it for you. Enjoy.
Will do.
Feel like I'm floating.
It is, their music,
I like the vintage sounds.
their
That's what I really
so
like.
variety. They use good kit, bro. And they're good musicians, bro. And lovely people. Shout out Bad Sounds.
Yeah, we're getting
Oh, yeah,
them
my
all that
cat
later.
music.
Yeah, But they are a great band, and they've made it wicked tune.
Hey. Are you high? Are you high? Are you high? Cause you're smiling all of the time. Banger. Yeah, we like that.
Yeah,
We like that.
I just like all the instrumentation in that song. It's just
Sick
so
band.
groovy.
You know, sick, really, really nice guys. Shout out Bad Sounds. We love you guys.
Yeah, the show a couple of weeks ago in Newcastle. Anybody
You
that
couldn't
was
even
there?
make it though.
Yeah, I was doing
Some
shifts in
bummy
the
shit.
Chippy,
You were
yeah.
at a Chippy, isn't it?
Yeah, Rodney hasn't quite got rid of his day job yet.
I mean, I've still
I'm
got
working.
one.
I'm an entrepreneur.
I was there though, innit? He's an entrepreneur.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
End of the
exactly.
day. But
you got to do what you got to do.
sorry if I'm leaning over there too much, guys. I'm just a bit like leany at the minute. You know what I mean?
We're trying to find our positions.
Just trying to find the best way.
Sometimes you know when you've been sitting too long and then you get that like
Yeah.
weird numbing pain in your arse.
Basically, it's a banger. Go download it. Go buy it. iTunes, Spotify.
Follow
all
them
that
as
shit.
well on Instagram.
You can
and
catch
Twitter.
them live, and yeah, go follow them. Right, next topic. We're gonna
Big
bump,
news.
Big news. We're gonna bump it along to Prince Harry getting married. Is that we prepared some topics. We'll get better at this, promise. Basically, Prince Harry that's the ginger one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And the one
and
that
he
isn't
got-
liked very much.
I mean, fuck me personally. Fuck all of them.
Yeah, well,
A little bit, like obviously I know that they have to be there. They're good for tourism and stuff. And why else would you want to come to this fucking dead country if there was
Wasn't
not
for
a
the
like
royalty, yeah.
little queen and shit?
they
But
dress up and shit. It's quite cool that we still have
a
that.
little
I think
fairy.
it's quite cool that we still have that.
Yeah,
That
obviously.
people dress up in a palace and pretend that
Obviously,
they're
bro.
fucking a queen.
I don't know. It's good for
That's
tourism.
fucking
Innit?
weird when you think about it. Like she's
I
not
mean,
actually
hang
the
on.
queen.
Hang on. Right. Yeah, she is actually the queen.
Nah, fam. She doesn't do queen shit, man.
What's queen shit?
Exactly.
What is queen shit?
That-
Bro, she
that
goes
goes
around
back
the
to,
schools
like you
and
said,
shit.
it-
She opens she turns lights on at Christmas and that.
Yeah,
she
but
turns
they could
like,
have got anybody to do that.
she cuts ribbons and shit.
Chris Moyle does that for a day job. fam. And he's-
Bro, Chris Miles could not be. I mean, he might do the same shit, right? But he's lost a lot of weight.
yeah, he's doing
But
that these days.
He might do the same shit, right? But he's not on par with the
Ginger
Queen.
little
I mean, Chris Miles isn't a ginger little fucker.
Chris Moyle is ginger.
That's
little-
Chris Evans.
Oh shit, wrong
Bro,
Chris.
come on. Are you high? Are you high? Are you high?
Everybody knows
They were both about that.
whichever Chris that
Back
was.
to ginger little fuckers. Prince Harry just got married, and he is basically the least annoying, I think, out of them all because he smoke a bit of weed and stuff. And,
Yeah, and he doesn't get down like that. He's not like really punty anyway.
And
It's
who
like,
is the lucky woman?
Megan, I don't know her surname. It's Megan, first name.
Meghan Markle.
That's it.
Rachel Meghan Markle
She
is an
was-
American actress and humanitarian campaigner. She was in Suits.
Suits, that's the one. That's what I
So,
was looking for.
so
And
This is. I have heard that like there's
this is some out the box stuff.
This
isn't
is
it?
some like different shit because they don't usually marry like people who aren't royal.
in the box, like, and that's
It's
the
basically
weird thing.
right. Do you marry
It's
for
like
love?
Pride and Prejudice, yeah. It's like
I've
some-
never seen that already.
I'm a romantic.
What happens in that? Bit like Downton Abbey, isn't it? Bit romantic, like Downton Abbey. Is that the
And-
same?
I just think that wouldn't normally
Doctor
happen.
Who.
Maybe we have moved on with the times and like.
Basically, gingers.
Harry-
People, anybody marries gingers now. Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
and
Harry's allowed to marry now
and-
to anybody. That's a fuck. Wow.
Harry can marry.
anybody. That's crazy. That's
Harry
mad.
can marry, bro. What a guy.
The son would have thought of that one before me. Trust me.
Next up. Wait, we didn't really say anything about that, right?
We just
It's
got 'em.
good, innit? Right, it is good.
Yeah, it's good. We're really happy for them.
Yeah. I bet they really give a shit. Shout out Meghan and Harry. Nice one. If you want Nifty to play it,
You can.
like,
you
I'll
can
play
be there.
Don't Quit and fucking Surviving.
There- There's
There's
more. There's more.
I'll play Smoke Break.
Yeah, Harry, you need to pack that shit in.
Lost.
No good.
Bro, I can bring. Actually, we can literally like shout. Right, I'll play that shit, but for money though, or at least if it needs to be a PRS registered venue that you hold your wedding at.
Yeah.
If it's not, then I'm out,
Them-
Harry.
They're gonna bounce. What's on? I don't really watch a lot of telly, but when
Oh, celebrity! I'm a celebrity. Get me out here, bro.
he knows all. About
I've been watching this.
What-
This is a good topic.
What's
Right,
been on other than
right.
people
Okay,
trying to
bro. Do you know how excited I am that this is a topic?
people are trying to eat bugs in that though for real on TV.
Bro, listen, to me, there's two kinds of telly, right? There's good telly, like Blue
There's
Planet,
bad telly. Which one does this?
and
fall
then
in?
there's and Life, and just
Mm.
anything with Attenborough.
yeah. You
And
just zone out to for days. You just sit there and watch
basically-
that shit. Like fucking.
that is an example of really good telly, right? Or like Homeland, good telly. Netflix, like some shit, yeah, right?
Yeah.
And then there is, but Netflix is also guilty, right? It has this shit like there's the other telly, right?
Yeah.
There's the telly that you just put on when you're eating.
Yeah.
Or that like when you just
Oh, you just want to hear the telly in the background.
or when you want to just go to bed
Yeah.
and you just put something in bed. So I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out Here is the one for that, right? Because it reminds you what time of year it is. It's winter time.
Yeah, it's got.
Ant and Dec are back on the telly. My guy's off the gear now as well, or whatever he was on.
yeah.
Ant was on.
Yeah, he's on a mad one, and
Ant was on one.
there's
It's like,
lots of people in Newcastle who are on a mad one, but like it happens.
it's hard not to get on a mad one when you live in Newcastle.
And I don't think anyone should give him shit for it. Like, yeah, it can happen. You can easily break your leg and end up on some pills that
Is
you
that
get
what
addicted.
happened?
Yeah, that's basically what happened to him. And I feel sorry for him, but
Bro, that kind of shit. But that's for another day. All them people on it, they're celebrities.
that's the reason why I think everyone
They
tunes
want to
in.
get out.
And yeah, because they want to see who gets out.
Dennis Wise is on there.
Yeah. Amir Khan's on there.
He's a dickhead, mate.
Yeah.
Stupid
I think he's
fucking idiot,
I think he's
mate.
fucking stupid.
He's
yeah.
an idiot, right? He's a
Yeah.
fucking idiot. He's a liar. He's a little boy. He's a coward. Oh, do you know what though? If he wasn't a professional boxer, right? Amir, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, why do
Dickhead.
boxers do that? Like, if you stand with a boxer, why do they instantly like they never fight like
That's
that?
because when anytime anybody's ever put a camera in front of their face, bro, they do hold this second. They do this, bro. Anytime you ever see a boxing picture, bro, they do this shit. Let me do this shit. Do this shit. That is shit, bro. That is shit, bro. They do this
They look
fucking
like they're having a shit.
stupid shit, bro. Like straining and shit. I pulled 3 muscles trying to do that. I'm not a boxer, but fuck you, Mia. Next. New.
This is where we tell you about some new kind of technology that you can go and purchase with your hard-earned money. And today it is the Google Hub.
Google Hub.
I've just got one. We're gonna go and have a look and find out what it's all about because I'm a bit unsure.
You got one, innit?
I haven't opened it yet because it's not. It's a Christmas present, so
Dave.
I shouldn't. I shouldn't even know what I had.
Dave.
Have
you ever bought
believe in
anything and
Christmas.
not opened it?
No.
That is some weird kind of dedication to Christmas.
Yeah, that is that's not.
Are you one of fucking Santa's disciples, boy? What the fuck
cool.
is going on, bro?
I'm a 25-year-old man who still believes in fucking.
I'm a 25-year-old man. I don't do what I want yet. I still live by the rules of Christmas.
So shall I tell them what it's about? Because I don't even know what it's about yet.
Basically, do you not just go...
I've just got one for Christmas like every fucker else.
Come on, I don't have one. Get me one. Fucking hell. Like every fucker else, I don't have one.
Voice assistant.
It looks a bit like an ashtray.
Yeah, it does.
And you
it's
go,
a better looking version of an ashtray.
Hey,
I've fucking just
ashtray.
got one. Be nice, be nice.
What?
I've just got one.
Alright, hang on.
Nice.
It looks
Go
like
on
a
out.
nice ashtray. Like one you get on holiday.
Yeah.
You go, hey, okay, ashtray. What am I doing today? And it goes, talking to a fucking ashtray. Isn't it? That is
I'm going to be
basically...
talking to a fucking ashtray.
Basically, like...
And it's probably listening in and sending all that data to the police. Like, you know.
Hey, ashtray, CIA.
CIA.
FBI.
I'm just trying to think of another
MI6.
But they're all listening in and they're going to know what the fuck I'm saying. When
They are recording, you know. So they're recording.
They are recording.
They're recording.
All the time?
Bro, like, I actually believe that they're recording. I believe they are. I believe they're recording to all the other agencies and that when they want to... No, hang on. I reckon they can tap into them. And they can record them. Does that make sense?
I've got one. Not sound in the room and it'll tingle as if you've just said okay Google.
Oh, I just said shivers down my spine. I don't want to do it.
Do you know what it is? When you're...
I'm gonna return it. I'm gonna.
But you know, if you're lonely and
Gift
shit,
receipt
get
that
one,
shit.
innit? Because you can probably be like, morning, Google, and it's like, is that a thing?
Yeah, it does that. Yeah,
Do you know what I mean? So, if you're lonely and shit, and you can't get a cat, because don't get a cat if you can't look after one. These don't need any looking after.
Yeah, we don't promote.
They're even
animal cruelty.
easier than hamsters.
But,
They're probably like fish standard of easy, aren't they?
yeah, and I think that
You put batteries in them.
no, it's mints.
Are they solar powered?
It's mints.
Do you know everybody
Mints.
who's got one is gonna turn into a little spider-looking creature?
And then crawl off. Oh, with all, that's some Ridley Scott kind of shit. Like that's what's gonna happen.
That actually moves us into the next topic really well.
Yeah, which is conspiracies.
The conspiracies of whether they can tap into this shit. Personally, like privacy and stuff like that, I don't believe. I believe if they want to get you now, they've got you. If they really, and when I say they, I'm talking like some James Bond villain shit. I'm not talking like the police when they just want to get you for some couple ounces or some, you know. It's not
So
that.
So what valuable information do they learn? Like I think a lot of people would just be like, oh, what they're gonna ever find out? You know, like all you hear me is talking about takeaway and stuff like that. But it's the fact that they know what takeaway I like. That's what fucks with me.
Bro, come on. They just need to check your fucking emails or your Just Eat account. You can tell what takeaway.
Nah, I always untick that box that you get at the bottom. That means they don't know shit.
If you think that people don't know
Just
what
a
food-
box.
What do you get emails about? What food do you get emails about?
Nah, if I'm really honest, I get spam like every single
About the food that you like, though?
from Just Eat. Yeah.
Exactly, bro. So they know what you're eating. Don't chat shit.
Yeah.
Everybody, they can find that out, isn't it? If they want... That's the way I
But what's
feel.
the valuable information that these
You're
things
just giving
want?
them a-
All these voice assistants out there, we're not just having a go at the Google.
They
Home.
can... iPhone's the
Mini.
same. They're listening through this if they want.
Yeah, if they wanted to, they could have started time ago.
No, but they can if they want. Like
There's
I
an
reckon right
open,
now...
Yeah, there's an open.
They
way
can
to-
track you if they want through this.
Hey Siri.
No, just fucking.
Hey Siri.
Fuck me. It's listening. It's fucking in the room. Get rid of it.
If I could.
Oh shit! Listen as well. Listen. Hey Siri. What's my name?
You're Max, but you asked me to call you Big Papa.
Oh yeah. Do you know what that was? One day I was like, "Hey Siri, I love it when you call me Big Papa."
Okay, but I already call you Big Papa.
Do you actually see what I mean? That's what happened on the day, and now, like, I didn't mean for it to happen. It just happened. It was one of those
Jesus.
things. Right. So,
That's crazy.
if they want you, they've got you, but you're giving them another microphone.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that? It's just a stupid ashtray. Don't be a dickhead and buy it.
Yeah, too late.
Oh shit! Fuck! Hang on. Right. Apart from obviously my guys because they're different.
Yeah,
if you buy them,
my thing's switched off whatever that
He's got
was
the
on.
special
I've got a
hacked version.
I'm
Jailbroken version with no
chipped version.
with no CIA implants. Next, we're talking
Raj Tank
Talks. So, Raj Tank Rodney,
We were talking
Choco
earlier.
Rod, do you want to take this on?
When we mentioned bad sounds, and we said that they were great and awesome to play with. Nifty Struggle had a show, which I couldn't make. And
Yeah, go on.
Mac
Tell them
Spin-
about the show that you couldn't make.
doing shifts at the Chippy, and it's a rock and a hard place at the moment. I've still got my day job. We're still grinding. I'm an entrepreneur. You know, I've got to make a living. Yeah, entrepreneur. Serial entrepreneur.
Have we just said this?
Yeah, I felt like I got a bit of deja vu there. I don't know where we're at.
I've
Never
definitely said entrepreneur today. It was a good gig. Dave was there.
Yeah.
Shout out Stormtrooper Dave.
Yeah.
Rodney couldn't make it. It actually went down well because I was like,
Did they play that tune?
bad sounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, are you high?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think fucking you are, bro, right now.
Bro,
It's cool.
Bad Sounds did, bro. They played that tune.
Yeah, they play that well.
I didn't play
crazy.
it, but I played some bangers too, and the crowd was sick. Shout out you if you were there. The vibes were good that night, Dave. Good vibes. It was sick.
Aesthetic, the whole vibe.
Yeah,
everything,
people were
like, you
liking
know,
it.
The meaning. And
We always get a good reception when we play, but that was a nice. There was some nice people there. Shout out all of you people that were there.
everybody that's like went and checked out everything from the gig and is tuned in right now. There's new stuff coming soon, and
Watch out,
yeah.
and thank you for watching. And anything you want to say to wrap it up, Rod? Or
Peace,
should we
love,
just...
and harmony.
That needs to be edited to fuck.